an entomologist, someone who studies insects from all aspects. Right now, the kind of research that I do involve looking at the various kind of insects to translate the information into something which is fairly new called entomotourism, meaning tourism based on insects. As far as we are concerned, although entomotourism is not very new, we were the first one to introduce the word entomotourism. Our working sites are basically those under the Perbadanan Taman Negara Johor. As far as you can see, Taman Negara Gunung Ledang has a huge potential to study and promote nature tourism, and one of the group that we have been studying looks at the potential and promoting insects tourism, or the so-called entomotourism in Ledang. And from this finding, it is clear that insects do have potential as nature tourism. As far as we are concerned, people are interested with things like fireflies, but we thought it's better that we would try to promote other kinds of insects such as ants and dragonflies, of course things like termites. Those are all things that will fascinate people who are interested in nature. Why not we also expand it to other insects, like which not only will promote local people, what will give the understanding that they are very important in the ecosystem of the forest. As we know, ants helps a lot with decomposition, which enrich the soil of the tropical rainforest, and that is very beneficial. I guess the way forward is to be holistic about things. I do think we need proper modules or packages on entomotourism, and under one grant which was given by the university, we have managed to produce 4 modules on insects tourism. That they were on ants, which we call ant tourism, on dragonfly, on butterflies, and also on termites. I mean, a photograph or a video show is worth 1,000 words, and that is what we also think. Being very instrumental and very useful, we should also cover our entomotourism through the making of videos, so that people understand better that insects are not bad. But I must tell you that only 15% of all kind of insects, which is now more than 1 million species, are bad ones. And secondly, working in Gunung Ledang provide us with a very good facilities. As you know, Gunung Ledang has a lot of facilities such as chalets and dormitories and even trails, good trails leading even to the top of the mountain. And therefore, I guess if we can work together with the private sectors and with all the rest of other people interested in turning knowledge into information and turning information into dollars and cents, I think it's a good move. And therefore, I strongly urge that people are interested in understanding more about biodiversity, in wanting to learn about richness of Malaysia, do come and have a visit. I would like to invite you to come to Gunung Ledang and be with us to understand more about biodiversity, its uses, its benefits. And once you have learned to love insects and other organisms of biodiversity, you will learn to support and conserve the animals themselves. And I guess it is also our responsibility to look after them.